Everyone, welcome back to my channel. To all my Croatians, each individual who've watched my previous reaction by Marko, Perković, Thompson, I appreciate the love. I appreciate the support. The support was beyond imagination. Like, so much of y'all dropped some comments, so much of y'all showed love, so much of y'all commented, the history that Perković has done. And I have to go and do some backtrack. Speaking of that historical moment, where a lot of comment has been saying that, some of his concerts contain crowds like about 600,000, 500,000, 600,000 and beyond, and to gain the massive crowd in such a large number of people, your work that you're putting out, your songs that you're putting out, it's reaping its harvest. Like, for a singular guy, gain so much support from hundreds of thousands of people, that shows that your impact isn't just your country, but it's around the world. You're showing the world that your music spreads like wildfire. Speaking of spreading, okay, so people, this is a Rewrote history concert by Marko, Perković, Thompson. And I'll be now listening to this historical moment by him, and I can put my 2 cents based on how my Jamaican historical moment went along. With that being said, let's see what's up, people. Peace.
For decades, the music world has seen legendary concerts. Moments where artists and millions of fans converged, creating history. But on July 5th, 2025, in the heart of Zagreb, Croatia, something truly unprecedented happened. A single artist, Marko Perković Thompson, didn't just break a record, he shattered it, redefining what's possible for a paid concert. The team behind Thompson's concert faced unprecedented challenges. The ticketing platform Rewrote battled not only immense traffic, but also cyber attacks, working tirelessly for days to keep the system running. The choice of venue, the Zagreb Hippodrome, is no accident. It's a location steeped in history and tradition, where generations of Croatians have come to witness momentous occasions. For Thompson and his team, this wasn't just a concert. It was a statement, a bold proclamation to the world that Croatian music, Croatian culture, were here to stay.
Guys, that give me chills. That give me chills. Yo, there are so many people. The ticketing caused an issue based on what the turn up should be. Bro, that's record breaking. And what the narrator says, that's record shattering. Guys, I've never seen so much people in one place in a long time. Because I think I saw back in the 1900s where the most support someone can get was a bands, right? Where it was free. I think it was 1.5 million people in there, I think. It's over the millions though. And to see a guy with such a single by himself, right, gaining a mass of 500,000 people, that says a lot. That is insanely good. That's just way beyond an imaginary position. Wow. Wow, that is such a huge deal. Do not take that lightly.
Think about the logistics. Securing a venue for 500,000 people. Managing traffic flow from across Croatia and beyond, ensuring safety. How did Thompson manage to pull off this logistical marvel? What does this achievement signify for Croatia and its cultural landscape? And how will the world of music evolve from this monumental event? As we look back at the concert that broke a record, we are left not just in awe of the scale, but also contemplating the profound impact of music, unity, and the indomitable spirit of a nation. In the end, it wasn't just about selling tickets or breaking records. It was about creating a memory, a shared experience that united 500,000 people under one roof. It was a testament to the unifying power of music, the magic of a live performance, and the undying spirit of a nation and its people. The night of July 5, 2025, will forever be etched in the annals of music history. It was a concert that
moment is historic. July 5th, 2025, that was like 10 days ago. But for so many people to turn up at an event to see just one guy, I've seen comments saying, no accident happened, everything went smoothly. That was professional. How does his team construct such a professional show? I want to find out, because this is interesting, I ain't gonna lie.
didn't just happen. It was a movement that took over a nation, broke records, and touched the hearts of countless individuals. Thousands of police officers, security guards, and emergency services were mobilized. The stage itself was a testament to ambition, a towering structure, 33 meters high and 150 meters wide, crafted by experts from Dubai, designed to deliver an unforgettable experience to every single attendee, no matter how far back they stood. Before this historic night, the record for the largest ticketed concert belonged to Italian rock legend Vasco Rossi, who gathered over 225,000 fans in 2017. A monumental feat in itself. But Thompson's concert was destined to leave that number far behind.
Whoa. So in 2017, there was a person who broke the record of 225,000 people attendance. And Thompson came by, broke the record and doubled the number that that particular individual had back then. This show was historical. And the staging was so profoundly amazing that the Dubaians created that staging. Right? It doesn't matter how far beyond you are, you'll see such immaculate performance. You would see such energetic performance from Mr. Thompson. And that was such a good, bro. This give me chills. Bro. Wow. I gotta say, if I was there, I would enjoy myself. Even though I'm a Jamaican, I would enjoy myself because I can feel energy slurping from here, from across there. Alright? And to be honest, if my reggae king was alive, Bob Marley, he'd create that impact. Because Bob Marley's impact across the world, it's not a joke, bro. It's like so huge, so humongously amazing. People from all walks of life, people from different country that I even know of, is singing Bob Marley's song. So just imagine if all those people should gather in one place, from Jamaica, from the Caribbean countries, from the countries across the world, each country gather one place just to see Bob. That would be a massive turn of an event. But speaking of this guy, Thompson, he did a superb job. That was crazy. Wow, that was crazy, bro.
When tickets first went on sale, the demand was so explosive, it nearly crashed the entire ticketing system. And it didn't stop there. Over 280,000 tickets vanished in less than 24 hours. Imagine the surge, the virtual queues, the sheer will of hundreds of thousands of people desperate to be part of history. Over 500,000 tickets were eventually sold, turning the Zagreb Hippodrome into a sea of humanity. This wasn't just a concert, it was a pilgrimage. Such a colossal gathering isn't just about music, it's an organizational Everest. But amidst all this, a question echoes: why? Why did Thompson choose this path? What drove him to push the boundaries of concert organization to such an extreme? To understand this, we must look at the man himself, Marko Perković Thompson. Thompson's music, a stirring fusion of rock and folk, carries powerful lyrics that celebrate Croatian history, heritage, and a sense of unwavering unity. But it's this very essentia, this potent mix of music and identity, that has often courted controversy. Accusations of nationalism and even neo-fascism have swirled around Thompson's work, leading to concert cancellations and a nation divided. Yet for his legion of fans, particularly the younger generation, Thompson is a symbol of resilience and pride. His concerts are not just performances, they are declarations, affirmations of a cultural identity that refuses to be silenced. And what better place to make this grand declaration than Zagreb? Croatia's vibrant capital, a city pulsating with youthful energy and a deep sense of national identity. The success of this event raises questions that resonate far beyond the music industry.
Well done, bro. So all those people came to support him because he carries the musical culture for Croatia. Then if that be the case, and so much youthful, energized individual came to support him, then eventually he's winning, bro. This guy is a champion where he is, because if this guy comes out to sing what the culture needs, right, he's definitely a winner. And the turn up of that event was superbly good. I get chills. I'm shocked. Well done, my bro. Well done. And to all the people who supported me, please, you guys can check out some of our historical events in Jamaica as well. We do have a lot of historical events where you guys will have an interest in. But if not, you guys know, this is just Jamaica. And I'm here to support every country that I know of, because if I do know about every country's music, I'll delve into it, because I do not just want to slap my reactions here about Jamaica. I want to go to the world. I want to see where so much people is coming from, where the love of the music is going, bro. So thanks for watching, Croatians. You guys are one of the best supporters, because you guys support your artists and you guys support a stranger that you guys do not have an idea of, and I do appreciate it. I'll see you guys in another video, because definitely I'll be waiting on the August show, and I'll definitely give my reaction to that. So stay tuned, my people. Stay tuned for more smaller videos after this, and subscribe, hit the bell icon, because it's gonna be an adventure for me. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys another time around.